Bitcoin prices slid sharply on Monday, dropping below the $92,000 mark, as global markets reacted to rising geopolitical tensions and renewed fears around trade policy uncertainty. The sudden downturn marked one of the most notable pullbacks in weeks, catching both crypto traders and traditional investors off guard. The sell-off followed heightened concerns over potential economic disruptions tied to aggressive political rhetoric and the threat of new tariffs. Risk assets across the board weakened as investors shifted into a defensive posture, with cryptocurrencies feeling the impact almost immediately. Bitcoin, often seen as both a hedge and a speculative asset, found itself caught in the middle of growing uncertainty. Market analysts noted that the decline was driven less by crypto-specific issues and more by broader macroeconomic anxiety. The possibility of escalating trade conflicts raised fears of higher inflation, tighter financial conditions, and reduced global liquidity. As a result, traders began unwinding positions in higher-risk assets, leading to cascading liquidations in the crypto market. Ethereum and other major digital currencies followed Bitcoin lower, amplifying the sense of unease. Trading volumes surged as volatility spiked, signaling heightened nervousness among short-term holders. Some investors viewed the pullback as a healthy correction after recent highs, while others warned that continued political uncertainty could push prices lower in the near term. Despite the downturn, long-term sentiment around Bitcoin remains divided rather than decisively bearish. Supporters argue that macro instability ultimately strengthens the case for decentralized assets over time, even if short-term price action remains turbulent. Skeptics, however, point to Bitcoin's increasing correlation with traditional markets as evidence that it is not immune to global shocks. As markets digest the latest developments, attention is turning to upcoming policy signals and economic data that could either stabilize sentiment or fuel further volatility. For now, Bitcoin's slide below $92,000 serves as a reminder that even the most established digital assets remain deeply sensitive to global political and economic forces.